going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies2000s.com. I gotta show you one of my favorite receipt scanning apps, Fetch Rewards. I've made good money with this app. An app where basically you just take a picture of your receipt. You're gonna get points for it. You get points for buying, different brands. But at the same time, if you don't buy anything in different brands, you still get points. So I'm gonna kind of show you some of the brands that you can buy and the amount of points you can get. A lot of them are 10 points. You get for every dollar you spend, you get 10 points. So that's how it really adds up fast to the point where you're able to, make money with it and cash out. They have lots of different brands, lots of different stores you can choose from. So, pretty much wherever you shop at, you'll be able to get points for your receipt, and there's like so many different ways they have it categorized to really make it easy for you and really lay it out for you, showing you basically like, okay, if you get this amount of points you can get per dollar you spend. So I'm going to take a picture of a receipt now. Just a regular receipt. Is from Sonic, so it's not anything special, just to show you how easy this app works. So this doesn't have any brands on it. It's a food receipt, so you can still, like I said, use any kind of receipt. Take a picture of it. You want to kind of bring that small circle into this big circle, and then right there I got 25 points. They have a little game you can play, tap to play. You can earn more points. So I just do this. You'll always earn more points doing this, and I get 15 extra points for doing that. So basically that one receipt gives me a total of 40 points. And so now you see at my balance, I have a little bit over 7,000 points. That's actually enough to cash out. So the minimum to cash out in here is pretty much $5, but I'll show you some of the different ways you can cash out on here. They have, different retail stores you can choose from. Like I said, a lot of them are $5. Some of them are $3 if you want to choose Amazon. But like lots of different places to go to as far as retail goes. Another one, they have different restaurants you can choose from, like I said, just gift cards from different ones. They also have a Visa gift card you can choose, $5, 7,000 points. Let's see what else they got on here. They got travel, flights, Airbnbs, all that kind of good stuff. So for me personally, I'm going to do the virtual Visa gift card. It is 7,000 points, $5. I have a little bit over 7,000 in my account, so I'm going to redeem this, get my $5 reward. And now I just have to wait for it. It'll be here in less than 3 days. It used to be, to the point where they would take a little while to pay you, but now they're actually paying you faster. So that's always good. So now I just have to wait for my reward to get my account. They'll send me an email when it's there. So I just want to show you, this app is very simple. Like I said, you can choose from different brands. Just scan any receipt that you get. You're going to get points for that. And, just make your money pile up that way. So I'll leave the link to sign up with this app in the description. It is completely free to sign up. So get started with it today. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2000s.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.